For your help, I place all the product links in the description.
Have you ever wished your blender could actually think for you? Adjusting settings, handling tough ingredients, and even cleaning itself? Let me show you why the Vitamix 83500 has completely changed the way I blend at home. This blender isn't just another countertop gadget. It's built for people who want reliable blending with convenience and control. I've been using the 48-ounce container with the brushed stainless finish, and it's proven how much smoother everyday blending can be when the machine adapts to your needs. One of the standout features is the 5 program settings: smoothies, hot soups, frozen desserts, dips and spreads, and self-cleaning. Personally, the soup program is a game changer. I tested a fresh tomato and carrot soup, and within 7 to 8 minutes, it was steaming hot and smooth. No need to stir or check on it. That kind of walkaway convenience makes busy days easier. The 48-ounce container hits the sweet spot for small to medium batches. I use it for a couple of smoothies in the morning or a family-size hummus batch in the evening. It's lightweight, easy to handle, and designed to keep ingredients circulating evenly, preventing those annoying chunks at the bottom. What I love most is the variable speed control and pulse feature. When I make salsa, I don't want it overblended. A few quick pulses keep it chunky and fresh. But when I make nut butter, slowly increasing the speed delivers a creamy professional texture. That kind of control is exactly why Vitamix is trusted by chefs and culinary schools. The built-in wireless connectivity takes it a step further. The base actually detects which container I'm using and adjusts blending times automatically. For example, when I switched to a smaller cup for a single serving smoothie, the blender shortened the cycle on its own. Vitamix notes that this feature also helps protect the motor, giving it a longer lifespan. And then there's the touchscreen interface. Sleek, responsive, and super easy to clean. I used to get food stuck around dials on other blenders, but with this one, I just wipe the flat surface and it looks brand new. From frozen berries to leafy greens, this blender handles tough ingredients consistently. My green smoothies come out perfectly smooth every time, no bits of kale left behind. Independent reviews from Consumer Reports also back this up, praising Vitamix for durability and blending performance. If you're serious about making blending easier, faster, and more consistent, the 83500 isn't just a blender. It's like having a kitchen assistant. And honestly, once you've tried it, it's hard to go back.